It's Wednesday, so it can only mean espresso martini inspiration on my channel. Yes, Mr. Black. I'm rocking out loads and loads of different kind of variations on espresso martinis to give you pure inspiration. You don't have to just stick to like vodka, Mr. Black or Kahlua and espresso. You can do all kinds of weird and wonderful things with them. Today, I'm going to give you the spoiler straight up. Today, I have gone for a gin, but it gets a bit more layery than that. I've gone for a gooseberry gin, and there's a hint of chocolate in there as well. The cocktail is delicious. I haven't used any sweetener, but I will talk you through that, and this one's very much up to you. But the gooseberry note, you get kind of, anyone that loves gooseberries, they're kind of like, don't know really how to describe them, they're kind of like plums, but not with the like a tartness to them. They're absolutely lovely. Gooseberry crumble, love gooseberry crumble. And this, with the coffee and the chocolate, works an absolute treat. Right, the ingredients, just run you through them very quickly. As you will see, very, very simple. I've gone for, I'm laughing because it's Larry. I've gone for Whitley Neill's Gooseberry Gin. I just want to kind of prove that gin and flavour gin will work with this. But strangely, what goes well with gooseberry for me is chocolate. You could use cacao, whatever you've got. I just love using Mozart dark chocolate. It's kind of a thicker cacao, that's all it is. I've gone for some Mr. Black and I've gone for some espresso. Will Kahlua work for this cocktail? Yes, I think it actually will. And if even with this, if you want to add a touch of sugar, I don't think it's going to spoil the cocktail at all and make it too sweet. So this one's very much in your hands. So very, very simple. Regulars will kind of know I'm just going to stick to my my sort of same ratios that I do, 30, 30, 30. That's kind of how I do mine. So I go 30 base spirit, 30 espresso, 30 Mr. Black, and then build out from there. So we are going for 30 ml, 1 ounce of this lovely gooseberry gin. Then I'm going to go for the coffee. I'm going to go 30 ml of Mr. Black Coffee Liqueur. Then I'm going to go 30 ml of just my fresh espresso. Lovely. Then just to give it the extra dimension, I'm going to go for the Mozart chocolate liqueur. I'm just going 15, half an ounce of that. There we go. Right, now I'm just going to ice up and give it a good old shake down. You could even add some bitters to this if you really wanted to. You could kind of go that way, chocolate bitters, coffee bitters, whatever you fancy. But now just a hard, fast shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Right, and when that is done, lovely. I'm just going to serve this up in a Nick and Nora glass, actually, and I'm going to double strain. That should be a perfect fit. Look at that, like a pint of Guinness. There we go, perfect fit. Look at that. A little bit of ice left in the strainer. And then just to garnish, if you've got some gooseberries, you could garnish with gooseberries. But I'm going to break a habit of a lifetime. I'm actually going to garnish with 3 coffee beans. Health, wealth, and happiness. Now, if you want even more espresso martini kind of inspiration, dive into one of the videos and playlists is popping up on screen right there. As always, big old thumbs up if you like the video. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel.